Hello, hi, welcome to my channel Brighter Kids. Today we are going to discuss about our chapter number 3, playing with numbers. In this previous video we discussed first chapter, knowing our numbers, and we have completed second chapter also, whole numbers. Now we are going to discuss about playing with numbers. Yeah, really we have to play with numbers. नंबर से हमको खेलना है, कैसा नंबर्स को लेकर 2-3 नंबर्स को लेकर उसको एडिशंस करना है, मल्टीप्लिकेशंस करना है, सब्सट्रैक्शंस, डिविजन्स करना है। जो भी नंबर देखे उसका रीज़न वो एडिशन में है, वो सब्सट्रैक्शन में है, उसका सॉल्यूशन कैसा आएगा वो अपने आप को अंडरस्टैंड आ जाएगा। कैसा हम ऑपरेशंस करते रहेंगे तो उसके साथ प्लेइंग करते रहेंगे तो नंबर्स, जो भी नंबर्स या एडिशंस 2675 या 57 या 88 लाइक दिस नंबर्स, उससे ओ इतना बड़ा नंबर है ऐसा नहीं दिखना अपने को। ओके, इसको 8 इंटू 8 11 लिख सकते हैं ऐसा। तो यू हैव टू सॉल्विंग दिस बिग प्रॉब्लम्स आल्सो इन ईजी वे। कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? वी हैव टू प्ले विथ नंबर्स. Play means we have to do additions, we have to do multiplication, subtractions, more and more. If you do like this, it comes very easy. We do calculations in very easy for big problems also. Problem solving we can solve problems very easily. We have to do calculations very easily. So calculations easy करने के लिए और calculations ईजी वे में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हमको नंबर्स के साथ खेलना है। उसका मतलब एडिशंस करना है, डिविजन्स करना है। डिविजन्स रूल्स क्या है, डिविजिबिलिटी रूल्स क्या है, ये नंबर को डिविजन करे तो कितना रिमाइंडर आता है, नंबर देखते ही पहचानना है वैसा। सो वी हैव टू प्रैक्टिस मोर विथ नंबर्स to do calculations very fast. So to do calculations very fast we have to do play. Okay, let me tell you one story. Hasini or any girl want to distribute chocolates to her classmates on her birthday. This girl wants to distribute chocolates on her birthday. Her father bought a box of 125 chocolates. Her father bought a box of 125 chocolates. How many students are in the class? There are 25 students in the class. There are 25 students in her class. Okay, then what happened? She decided to distribute all the chocolates such that each one would get equal number of chocolates. किसी को 1 चॉकलेट दिया, किसी को 2 चॉकलेट दिया, किसी को 3 चॉकलेट दिया, वैसा नहीं है, सभी को इक्वल नंबर ऑफ चॉकलेट्स देने के डिसाइड किया था। किसने? हासिनी ने। देन क्या हुआ? 125 चॉकलेट्स है, 25 नंबर्स है, तो कैसा देना है नहीं पता। तो फर्स्ट शी थॉट ऑफ गिविंग 2 चॉकलेट्स to each one 2 chocolates. इसने स्टार्ट कर दिया 25 स्टूडेंट्स को each one 2 चॉकलेट्स देते हुए स्टार्ट कर दिया। But found that some chocolates are remaining in the box. क्या हुआ? और some chocolates है बॉक्स में। Then again she tried of giving each 3 each. तो उसने डिसाइड किया ओके 3 दे देंगे, 3 देके तो but again some chocolates are remaining. 3 देने के बाद भी उसके बॉक्स में और अगेन सम चॉकलेट्स आर रिमेनिंग. सो फाइनली शी थॉट ऑफ गिविंग 5 chocolates each. So finally what she decided? She want to give 5 chocolates. She wants to give 5 chocolates each. Now she found that no chocolates were remaining. She found that no chocolates were remaining. Now tell me, is there any easy way to find the number of chocolates equally distributed among her classmates? क्या आपके बर्थडे पे जाकर ओके पहले एक एक देंगे, एक एक देंगे और काउंट करके हाँ इतने रिमेनिंग बच रहे, हाँ नहीं 2 देंगे, ऐसा काउंट करते हुए बैठेंगे नहीं. वी हैव टू do in an easy way to find number of chocolates equally distribute among her chocolates. Think of scores. Of course, वो क्या कर सकती थी? She can divide 125 by 25 also, but she did not. Of course, she had to do 125 divided by 25 also. What will get here? 5. Remainder is 0. No chocolates are remaining in the box. So here we have to do division. Then you get easily 5 numbers. So we have to equally distribute it to 5 chocolates to every 25 students. Then it will finish the box. Okay. So we have to know the divisibility rules. We have to know डिविजिबिलिटी रूल्स. क्यों डिविजिबिलिटी रूल्स यूज़ करना है? बर्थडे में चॉकलेट्स बांटते हुए नहीं बैठना है, काउंट करते हुए नहीं बैठना है. सो वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड डिविजिबिलिटी रूल्स. वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड डिविजिबिलिटी रूल्स. What is divisibility? Divisibility rule. For the process of, write down this definition. What is divisibility rule? The process of checking whether a number is divisible by a given number or not. Process of checking whether a number is divisible by a given number or not. Without actual division or not without actual division is called divisibility rule of that number. So divide करके 125 by 25 ओके डिवाइड हो रहा. इट्स कम्स 5 डिवाइड हो रहा या नहीं, ऐसे एक्चुअल डिवीजन मेथड में नहीं करना है. सो वी हैव टू नो अबाउट डिविजिबिलिटी रूल्स. नंबर देखते ही वी हैव टू understand this number is divisible to 2 or not, this number is divisible to 3 or not. In this divisibility we know these rules, divisibility rule for that number. Okay, what is divisibility rule? Process of checking whether a number is divisible by a given number or not without actual division. Without actual division is called divisibility rule for that number. So we have to know the divisibility rules. We have to test divisibility rules. Then we will get easily. We have to find out this number is divisible by 2 or not. This number is divisible by 3 or not. So that we have to know, it's necessary to know divisibility rules. Okay. Our first rule is divisible by 2. What is our first rule? We have to know which number is divisible by 2. We don't need to do any actual division method. In the lower cases, we did our actual division method. Here we have to know some divisibility rules to know that number is divisible by 2 or not. So for that number is divisible by 2 or not, we have to know these numbers have only the digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in the ones place. In the ones place. I told about place values in our first chapter, ones place, tens place, hundreds place in the first chapter. Please See in the previous video, if you don't know about ones place, tens place, okay, we have to see 0. It comes 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in the ones place. That number is divisible by 2. If it has any of the digits, any of the does not 0 also 2 also 4, any of the digits 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, then what we will say, that number is divisible by 2. Here for example we take 9434, 9534. Which number is in the ones place? Here it is 4. So what is this number is divisible by 2 or no? Not. So simply we see ones place. Here it is 4. So it is divisible by 2. Our answer is yes, it is divisible by 2. Because it's 4 in ones place. Because it is 4 in the ones place. Like that. 4, 5, 2. Is this number is divisible by 2? Yes, this number is divisible by 2 because here it is 2 in the ones place. Like that we will do divisibility rules in this method. Divisible by 2. Our next divisible is 3. Divisible by 3. Our next rule is divisible by 3. Okay. If you know some numbers, number of digits 21, 36, 54, 63, 72, 117. Now encircle all the multiples of 3. We must have encircled numbers like 21, 27, 36, 54, etc. Do you see any pattern in the ones place of these numbers? No, because numbers with the same digit in the ones place may or may not be divisible by 3. For example, 27, 37 have same in ones place. But are they both divisible by 3? Are they both divisible by 3? No. 27 is divisible by 3 but 37 is not. Okay, let's now add some digits. 21, 36, 54, 63, 72, 117. Is these numbers are divisible by 3 or not? How we have to know? So we had to know if you take 21. So we have to do sum of the digits, that means 2 plus 1 equal to 3. If this number is divisible by 3, then that number is divisible by 3. As 3 is divisible by 3. So 21 is also divisible by 3. Like that we have to know. Okay, let's suppose take 117. Is this number divisible by 3? No, we don't know. So we have to do sum of the digits. 1 plus 1 plus 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Here 9. 9 is divisible by 3. Yeah, we know it's divisible by 3. So, what we will say? 117 is also divisible by 3. So, that's why we have to know divisibility rules. We have to know divisibility rules to do in an easy way. Okay? Next, we will do divisible by which number? 6. Divisible by 6. For divisible by 6, it has to satisfy 2, divisible by 2 property and divisible by 3. That means if a number is divisible by 2 and 3, then it also divisible by 6. Then it is also divisible by 6. Let's suppose we have to take 81. So, for divisibility rule, what is the divisibility rule of 3? So, sum of the digits, 8 plus 1 equal to 9. So 9 is divisible by 3. So 81 is divisible by 3. But we have to check here 2 also, for 2. Here there is no 0, no 2, no 4, no 6, no 8. So it does not satisfy divisible by 2. So 81 is not divisible by 6. We have to satisfy 2. Divisible by 2 also and divisible by divisible by 2 and divisible by 3 also. Here it satisfies divisible by 3, but it does not satisfy divisible by 2 rule. So 81 does not divisible by 6. This is the divisibility rule by 6. Okay, divisibility by 5. What we have to do? 20, here are the numbers 20, 25, 30, 45. So on, these are, we know these are the multiplications of multiplication table of 5. So these are the divisibles for 5. But is 53 divisible by 5? Is 53 divisible by 5? Can you say that all numbers with 0 and 5 at once is divisible by 5? Yes. Let me check. Okay. For example, 5, 7, 8, 5. Guess which are divisible by 5 and verify by actual division. Please do this problem by actual division and see this number is divisible by 5 or not. As this number is divisible by 5. Here it comes ones place in the 5. So if 0 or 5, if it comes 0 or 5 in the ones place, it satisfies divisibility rule by 5. It satisfies divisibility rule by 5. If it comes 0 or 5 in the ones place, 5, 7, 0, 0. Here it is a ones plus 0. It satisfies our divisibility rule by 5. Divisibility rule by 9. Some of the digits in these numbers are also divisible by 9. Then it satisfies our divisibility rule. So for example, take 81. 8 plus 1 equal to 9. So this is divisible by 9. So 81 also divisible by 9. Like the divisible by 3 rule also here also satisfies divisible by 9 rule. So divisibility by 9 rule is also sum of the digits. If the sum of the digits is divided by 9, then our number also satisfies divisible by 9. So our next number is divisible by 10. What is our next number? Divisible by 10. Please do actual divisions to check these rules are satisfying or not. Please do actual divisions outside of our margin and check these rules are satisfying or not. Okay. If the number is, when we will say is this number is divisible by 10 or not, not all of them have 0 in their ones place. Where in their ones place? And also all of them are divisible by 5 and 2. What is this rule? All of them have 0 in the ones place and it also have divisible by 5 and 2. So what is the divisibility rule of 5? Here have to come 0 or 5 in the ones place. What is the divisibility rule of 2? Here it comes 0, 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 in the ones place. Here it comes in these numbers or these numbers or both or have to 0 in the ones place. Then it satisfies divisibility rule by 10. So these are the divisibility rules by 2, 3, 6, 9 and 10. We have to do actual divisions to all numbers. I will give some numbers for homework. Please do and give me your answers in the comment section. First 3, 2, 1, 7, 2, 9. Is this number is divisible by 2, 3 and 6. Check by actual division also. To do calculations first, check once in actual division also. Next example is 197232. Is this number is divisible by 2, 3 and 6. And our next example is 250 and second 10205 and third number is 70985. These three numbers are divisible by 5 and by 10. These numbers are divisible by 5 and by 10. Please do these 5 problems and give me answer in the comment section. I will check and give reply. Divisible rule 5 is you have to come 0 or 5 in the ones place. Divisibility rule of 10 is all of them have 0 at their ones place and all of them are divisible by both 2 and 5. They have to satisfy both 2 and 5. Remember, they have to satisfy both divisibility rules of 2 and 5. These are the divisibility rules. Our next topic tomorrow we will discuss about our next topic, prime numbers, composite numbers, twin primes, all about composite numbers we will discuss in the next video. Please, if this video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get further class notifications. Thank you.